morning. It's about 8 degrees here. We're going to do a cold start video on a little 1967 VW Bug. So here it is. A little rough looking. Got some body work we're doing to it. Got some other rigs running as well. These ones here, don't need to concern yourself with those. But we're gonna see. I've already been in here, as you can see. I thought I'd video it, see if it starts. So, let's see if we got power. Well, we got a little bit. Ooh, that's gooey. Yeah, she's cold. Go ahead and pump her a few times. There you have it. Battery's a little low. Seem to be having a little bit of a generator problem, but I'm sure it's fine. It's probably just cold. Other than that, there's a successful cold start. All right. How well you guys can see the window keeps frosting up, but let it warm up for a little bit and figured we'd take her out and go on a little tootle. Snow is no big feat for these little cars. You know, with the engine in the rear and the transaxle, makes it where it doesn't slippy slide everywhere. I mean, you can make them slippy slide, but they're quite a feat of engineering. No coolant, you don't gotta worry about your engine freezing. So the only thing you gotta worry about is if there's oil in it and gas in it. It looks like our little town is still going. highway to a neighboring town. You wouldn't be able to tell. It looks like just a little country road, but this is the main highway. We'll go ahead and shoot across. This is just our neighborhood road. Don't high center these little bugs, they pretty much push through the snow. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little snow fun. I know I did. We'll have to do some more.